Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create a website for your Thai restaurant using Mighty Sites. So the first thing that you do, you just simply type in Thai food restaurant or restaurant, find the Thai restaurant website template and click on it. Next, all you need to do is type in the name of your restaurant. So I'll just put Keegan's Thai Food, and then you type in where you're located. So I'll just type Denver, Colorado. Select your business type. So this is obviously for a restaurant. Click continue. Then it's going to ask you a few business questions. You just type in the name of your phone number, and then you can type in your email address as well. Click continue. Next thing you do, put in your address, and then you can also add your zip code. Click continue. Hours is the last thing it asks, so you can put in the hours that you're open. Let's just say you're open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. During the week. And then let's just say that you're open from 10 a.m. until 11 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. So it'll just give you a brief check, make sure all the information you provided looks accurate. If not, you can just update those sections here. But if it all looks good, you can click looks good next. Once you do that, Mighty Sites is going to instantly generate a simple professional website for your Thai food restaurant. So you can see just like that, the entire website gets generated for your business without you having to do or touch anything here. So it's super easy to use. Now, to make edits to this, all you have to do is click on update section, and you can go to any of these parts that you want. So let's just say I want to add a new Twitter, add my Twitter link. I'll add that for my business. If I want to add my Facebook page, I can add a link here. Same thing, but you could just copy and paste yours over. Save your social links, close. Now I've got my social media links here. If you want to update your logo or update your menu, you can do any of that right here as well. So you can add new items to your navigation menu. You can upload your logo. So let me just find a logo right here. So I've actually got let's just see, I'll use the Mighty Sites logo for now just to show you exactly how that works. So I can upload my logo. As soon as that's uploaded, I click on save. And now I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller, depending on how I like the look. And then I can click here on this little pencil. And then I can go in and use all these cropping or filtering, editing tools. And this is for any of the images too. So your logo or any images, that's all built right into the site just to make it really easy to create a website for your Thai restaurant. So now that's there. I've got my logo in here. I've got some of my social media, my address. If I want, I can even have it show my email on here. So if it's like a contact email or something like that. Now I can go in and I can update or edit any of this text. So if I really like what this text says, I can leave it, or I can change any of this super easy just by clicking, pointing and clicking. I can also add more body text too if I want something beneath it. So this is, and you'll see it'll type in there too, and it goes in with the color theme of the template. So then you can go to order online, and then you can actually choose where you want this to link. So if you have order online like Toast or Google business profile, anything like that, you can just link to it here. Or you can change this completely. If let's just say you want people to call you to reserve a table, you can kind of change this to reserve a table, and then click to call, and then choose that link, and that's all set, right? So that's really nice and easy to do. This get directions opens right up. So a lot of people are going to be on your website on mobile. When they click on get directions, it'll actually pull up directions right from their phone to drive to your restaurant. Again, you can upload any new images for any of these sections, but they're all pre-licensed for you to use already. I recommend uploading your menu at somewhere on this site. This call to action is a great spot to do it. You just go over here. Your menu is probably a PDF, and you can just upload a PDF of your menu. So you see that it'll upload for me right here. Just click confirm when it's done, save it, close. And now when I click on this, now you'll see that my menu is there on my site too. So again, it's got everything you need between your menu, directions button, click to call or order online, however you want to use that button. And now you've got all of this clearly laid out on your simple professional website for your Thai restaurant. Now, once you're ready to go, you can click on stop editing and see what it looks like without the update buttons. This is what the customers will see. And then you can go right here to your site dashboard and connect a custom domain. So if you have a domain from GoDaddy, Google Domains, domain.com, anything like that, you just go and paste your domain. It'll walk you through the steps, provide you with instructions to give to your domain registrar to connect your website. Now, again, all this is only $9 a month. It's super easy to use to create a simple professional website for your Thai restaurant. Go ahead and give it a try. There's a 7-day free trial and launch a brand new website for your restaurant. To get started, super affordable, nice professional representation online. Best of luck.